Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is on a secure Wi-Fi network and your device has current iOS so features work correctly. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings. The sign-in prompt sits at the top. If you already have an account listed, tap it to sign out first. Make sure you know your Apple ID email and password. This is how Apple verifies you, and keep two-factor devices nearby in case verification is requested. Now you enter credentials. Tap Sign into iPhone, type your Apple ID email and password carefully to avoid lockouts. After you submit, Apple may require two-factor authentication. When prompted, approve the login on a trusted device or enter the 6-digit code sent by SMS. This extra step protects your account, so complete it promptly. Next, choose which iCloud services to enable: Contacts, Photos, Find My, and tap Merge when asked. Finish by confirming that iCloud, App Store, and FaceTime show your name. This proves the Apple ID is active on the device. Make sure automatic downloads and backups match your preferences so data syncs as expected. If Sign installs, restart the iPhone and retry. Transient network or system glitches often resolve with a reboot. If you forget the password or the account is locked, use Apple's account recovery flow from iForget. Apple.com or the settings recovery prompts to regain access securely.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.